Hey, I hope you enjoyed that short little commercial that I made for Ramen House. As you can tell, it was heavily influenced by Daniel Schiffer, but I put my own little twist with some VFX and some green screen around it. Funny enough, this shot actually took 6 hours to shoot just because of the reframing, the retakes, just getting the right motion with the camera in and out. But overall, the project was super fun to do, and it was definitely a big learning experience. I recorded the entirety of the BTS with my iPhone here. And I wanted to show you guys of how the process was made, and without further ado, let's just jump right into it. So we're here at the Ramen House, and here I got my Aperture 120D. We're doing a Daniel Schiffer inspiration style of this commercial shoot that we're doing. We're here shooting with the Sony a7S III with a 16 to 35 G Master. So we're gonna be constantly using a 2.8 aperture with manual focus, just so we can keep everything that we track in focus. So the person that's actually helping me behind the scene is Ben. Trapini Ben, following on Instagram. Here we go. Move your head down. 1, 2, 3, go. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Here's the final version put together with color grading applied to it. If you have any questions or want a specific tutorial in mind, feel free to let me know in the comments. If you have enjoyed, make sure to subscribe for more tutorials and BTS content. Thanks again, peace out.